So you have a whiteboard that you want to hang on the wall, but it has no hanging brackets. That was my situation. My wife wanted me to hang this whiteboard up, and actually another one that looks just like it. But the problem was it didn't have any hanging brackets. So I was going to have to build some sort of a frame around it, and it was getting complicated. So I thought, this is a magnetic whiteboard, and I have some magnetic tool strips from Harbor Freight, and I bet that the magnetic force might hold it on. So I took, and you can get these for about $4 from Harbor Freight. I'm sure other places have them too. And you use them normally to hold screwdrivers, drill bits, your standard metal tools. But for a magnetic whiteboard, if you hang them level, they also are strong enough that you can just set the magnetic whiteboard on them as long as they're level, and it holds it nicely on the wall. Right. So I have the same thing. That's the single magnet holder design because that's over a table. Not a big deal. But down here I actually have two because it's within reach of the kids and the baby. So let me show you how that looks. If you want to hang it a little more securely so it's not quite so easy to pull down, two strips, both level, both the width of the board across. You kind of have to look on the back and see where you want it. But and then that holds it on there so you can't pull it off. Set it on there, hangs level every time, easy to get off. Just a good simple solution if the whiteboard doesn't have hanging brackets or if you want to be able to take the whiteboard on and off. Again, this only works with a magnetic whiteboard, but it's a good solution if you're trying to hang a magnetic whiteboard.